Choosing the right pillow is key to a great night's sleep, but finding your perfect pillow is not always easy. So what makes a Tempur pillow so special? Our original pillow with its signature ergonomic curve was invented in 1991. Since then, it's become a worldwide icon, helping millions relieve pressure on their neck and shoulder.
The unique shape of the Tempur original pillow was developed together with a physiotherapist, and that unique shape has a true function and gives you the unique support that is needed.
And now, we have a full pillow range to suit all your needs, whatever your preferences and however you sleep.
I think it's obvious that no people are the same, and that's the reason why we have this range of products that allow each consumer to find exactly the product that fits them.
But at its core, each pillow is always crafted with unique Tempur material. Born from NASA technology, it's proven to relieve pressure and precisely adapt to your neck and shoulders. Each Tempur pillow is designed and made in our state-of-the-art facilities in Denmark. So how do we do it?
The recipe is poured into this mold, and after approximately 10 minutes, you have a fully shaped molded pillow.
Our fresh pillows need 4 hours to settle before they're sent for quality control. It's how we ensure each meets the highest quality standards of health, safety, environmental, and technical excellence. Only then is each pillow perfectly crafted and ready for your bedroom. First the inner cover, then the elegant outer cover, and finally into the box. We take the utmost care because we know how important your pillow is when getting a great night's sleep.
I know a lot of people who have owned their Tempur pillows for many, many years, but they will often stick to the same model.
The feel is unlike anything else, but when you start to interact and start to know the product, you just realize it's so unique. It's so like no other things you've ever experienced before. And now my whole family is a Tempur family.
It's these personal moments that drive us to create the best pillow possible for outstanding comfort and support and sleep that's better, longer, deeper.